What you will need is oats, peanut butter, and biscuits. I'm going to use medium and small, just because we have large dogs and small dogs. And a paper plate and a butter knife. So, and a butter knife. And then a dog to feed them to. Yeah, and a doggy to feed them to. She's been so good. That's what I'm making her. She just got a bath. So I'm making her treats, frozen dog treats. So I'll show you guys how I make them. So what you do is you take biscuits, just a couple biscuits. And how many biscuits you will make. So just lay them out on a plate like that. And I'm going to add one more big one. Just like that. And then you're going to take your peanut butter. And put very little on each biscuit. Okay. Like that. And then get some more. And then I'm going to grab a little one. Just like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and coat them all with peanut butter, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have all the biscuits coated with peanut butter. I'm just going to add some of these quick oats to some of them. So, and I'm going to leave just peanut butter. And then what you do next is you just put them in the freezer. Okay, and then I already made some earlier, and this is what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. So, these are what the frozen ones look like. They're cold, and they're great treats to feed on a hot day. So I'm going to go ahead and give Amber one. Oh, that's how you make frozen peanut butter dog treats.